去跟着 signboard 去找 highland cow。Shout your friend。Say moo, moo. Okay, that's it. We saw one cow and two more cows at the back. Say bye bye, cow.
Bye bye.
Ten, 11, 12, I'm Sue 30. We were 30.
We are now at Sea Houses, and then we're going to take the boat, which is a 2-hour tour to the Farne Islands to see puffins and seals. Oh, look at that post box. How cute. You're starting the trip.
Best shot.
We have three main species of gulls here at the falls. The herring gulls, the lesser black-backed gulls and the greater black-backed gulls.
Hi puffins! The puffins over there.
The seabirds that come behind us.
Can you hear the voice?
Why is that so noisy? What do you like most about these birds, Shao?
They're cute, but they're smelly.
It smells.
Yeah.
Good trip? Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Okay.